I'm finally gonna do this surgery. I'm gonna tell you, say, I'm gonna do this thing a couple months back. I'm gonna show you this clip. Hey guys, I'm in the actual room where I'm gonna do the physical therapy on my knee. I'm just waiting for the guy to come to show me what's up. See you later, guys. I'll tell you what's up later. Peace. Bruh. I went to that and informed that I have to do a surgery on my knee. So I'm just gonna get it over with. Separated by everything come out right. So guys, I'll talk to you later because right now my head is kind of hurting me. So later, guys. Yes, people, day 2 of my hospital visit. Just got the surgery done. I'm so relieved. Why? I tell you, I have to give God thanks to see it. Why? If you do what you have to do, see it. Take a look. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna tell you all about everything that I've done the last from yesterday still. I'll tell you what's up. See you guys later. Peace. Bless up, people. Day 3 in the hospital, ready to go home. Yeah, man. The nurse them professional, the doctor them professional. They can't complain. I give God thanks, you know. My foot not feel too bad. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Yeah, guys, TeflonDon here. I'm so excited. They told me, say, once I get some crutches, I can leave. I'm so happy. I want to go home. I miss my home. So, guys, I'll let you know what's up in a few. Bless up yourself. Yes, YouTube. You see this lady here, this beautiful lady here? She's been taking care of me and everybody in the hospital from I came here. She's been working tirelessly, very hard. Right now she's hungry, but she's been working so hard. But she put other people first before herself, and I like to big her up. Anybody see this lady on the road, take care of her, because she's a beautiful lady.
Alright, so I've been taking care of Teflon, and he's a good patient, I would say, very compliant, and I wish him very well. Right, and subscribe to his YouTube page.
Bless up. Thank you. Take care. Whoa. Whoa.